There you go, buddy. Come on. You got him, buddy. Go get him. Go get him. There you go. Go get your bird, man. Yeah, you go. Good shot, buddy. Good shot. Was it exciting? You should have seen him shaking. His mama. That's number 3 for me for kids.
Wow.
I want to get her one too. Oh, you got a good shot on him. Got him right in the head. What do you think, bud? Was that exciting?
Yeah. I was kind of shaking.
Were you?
Yeah.
Awesome.